This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
So 2 weeks ago, I bought an abandoned home, and I've been, having a good time showing you guys it. But today's actually a day I need to start on renovating it because otherwise it will fall down. So today I'm gonna start working on getting some of the furniture out because when you buy an abandoned home, you get everything. Luckily, I'm not gonna be doing this alone. I have someone to help me. Do you want to show your face? You can say hi.
Oh, hey guys.
We're gonna try to move a lot of things today. Oh, where do we start? Should we start? That's the one thing. It is so hard to start things. And I have read you guys' comments. We are gonna try to keep as many things as possible, like the wood, everything here. We're trying to do as best as I can to restore it. But unfortunately, because of the condition of the house and because it's never actually been replaced, the roof at all, we are gonna lose some things in the journey. We'll move this stuff up first. Let's move this tarp. Oh my gosh, there's so much mold. Oh, wow. I didn't even, wow. Oh my gosh. My shoes are leaving prints on the floor.
We can probably cut the carpet out today.
We can cut it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's dry in here. It's completely dry in here. I got a garage. That's not very nice. You want to move lamps first? I don't know how we're going to move this. No, I don't have it.
Oh, beautiful furniture though, I must say. Don't trip. Don't trip times 2.
How are you going to move this piano?
I'll just lift it.
We're a good team.
That's a good team.
These are some nice legs.
These are nice legs. The top half should just move off, right?
Yeah, full of
You're good?
Yeah. One sec. Shoot.
Oh, I've
On
seen
the
this
moon?
game.
Shoot on the moon?
I've
do you
seen this
do?
game. You move the 2 sticks outwards while the ball rolls on top of it. You need to play right now.
This looks so fun. Wait, what's this?
Is this like another home that he built?
These are floor plans. Kitchens. Wait, are you trying to get this?
Yeah, you gotta go here because it's 5,000 points. I think you gotta start from here all the way down there. And I think since it's not on the best slope, you gotta go from that end. I think it just needs to tilt a little bit. Is there like a tilting thing? And as fast as or as slow as you want.
I'm tired. You want to sit with me?
I'll sit with you.
Yeah, let's take a break. So I've read you guys' comments, and the first thing I am gonna do is try to fix this roof. But unfortunately, there are so many steps in order to get to the replacement of the roof. And because the roof has never been changed, not even once, since this house was built, like 60, 70, 80 years ago, whatever it was, it has major damage. So we have to take all the drywall out. We have hopefully be careful because I really want to keep a lot of the wood paneling around the house and reuse that for, our future house. But there's a lot of work we have to do before we can even get the new roof on, where we have to take it down to the studs. So it's gonna be a journey and a half, but what I'm gonna try to do in the end, once get down to the studs, get a new roof on, I really wanna try to recreate what we have here and take a lot of the, existing things like the paneling and bring it back into like the new home.
What's the good news, Jenna?
What is good news?
We had everything tested.
Oh yeah! I sent off, or we
sent off.
Yeah, we sent off 3 samples of just parts of the home for asbestos. And I was 99.9% confident that we were gonna be at 100%. I was like, there's no way. It's 100% asbestos in this house. And they came back all negative.
The insulation, the walls,
The plaster, the tile.
and the tiles.
Yeah,
3 most common places where there's usually asbestos.
Yeah, so we're still doing more testing, but so far,
Pretty good.
we hit the jackpot. And if you don't know what asbestos is, it's pretty much this mineral that doesn't erode, doesn't go away, and they used it in pretty much all of like building back in like the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, up and actually till 2018, till they banned it. Do you know they banned it in 2018?
It's pretty crazy. And actually, it's still not banned in the States, I don't think.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy. But pretty much, it's, you know, not very good for humans. It stays everywhere, so when you breathe it in, it just stays in your lungs too. But back to the project, we're hoping 2 years. That's our goal. Like, we're gonna be, you know, working on this pretty much full time to get this done. So, magic number, hopefully 2 weeks.
Wouldn't that
be nice? 2 years, and hopefully we'll have a beautiful, updated mid-century modern home. In the meantime, I do have some questions. We are a little unsure if we should keep the pool. I know I was very excited about the pool. I have a pool, which is very exciting. I never had a pool before, but I'm also, just cleaning this pool is kind of giving me nightmares. Now thinking about cleaning it every single year for the rest of my life. Another one is the piano. The piano is the original piano that was in the home when it was built way back in. Like, it hasn't moved, that piano. And I want to keep it, but the problem is I don't play piano. So should I learn to...
We'll get you piano lessons, maybe?
Should I take piano lessons?
Piano lessons would be good.
Yeah, and then keep it, because...
I think I'm also curious if anyone knows much about pianos. How much this thing is worth?
Right. Guys, look at this piano. It doesn't even have a serial number, like that's how old it is, but it is K Kauai. Like Hawaii, but with a K.
Do you want to measure how big it is? I think that's how you measure the size.
It's about my arm's length.
That's pretty good.
Now, next step, we're gonna rip up the carpet.
But before we start ripping up the carpet, I just
on.
want to take a quick break because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you guys have not heard of Squarespace before, they are this amazing platform where you guys can create your own professional website. I personally been using Squarespace ever since college and use them right now for my website. Some of my favorite features is 1, you can have an online store with physical and digital products. 2, with that online store, you can offer local pickup to your local customers. And 3, if you're an artist, designer, or whatever you do and you want to showcase your product, but you don't have any products you want to sell, you can also set up an online gallery feature and even add a password for your clients. Head to squarespace.com/JennaPhipps to start your free trial. And then after your free trial, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps at checkout and you guys will get 10% off your domain or website.
Can you just show how nasty this is first? The carpet is like ripping.
It's dead.
Look at that!
It's rotten.
Oh!
No.
Can you rip? Oh!
I mean, look at that. I think, is that the top layer or is that everything that just...
No, it's missing. This is, like, there's this part.
Oh my God.
There's the wood. What do you mean you have one glove?
I have one glove.
I have an idea.
It's a big boy. Every scoop is one scoop closer to finishing the house. That's good enough. Let's go eat dinner.
I have an announcement. Got gloves! I finally went to the store. I bought gloves. I wore construction clothes today. I even have some boots. I'm fully, mentally, physically, everything prepared to rip this carpet out now today.
I have boots too. Are you excited?
I'm really excited to get the water out of the house. I want it to be dry.
I'm ready.
Let's go get it.
I'm ready. Getting drier. The sun's coming in. Look at
Looking
this.
pretty good.
This is ripping.
None of them is lighter. Actually, sorry, let's take the closer one.
Oh, this is a big boy. Oh my gosh, this peels like butter. Oh my.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. It's like an old magazine or something. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. We need to move this couch. So the person that owned this, her solution to everything was just putting cardboard boxes and tarps and plastic everywhere to cover up the problems. But the problem is actually getting worse because underneath all these cardboard boxes, oh my gosh, this is what's underneath. It's, the carpet's even sticking to the cardboard. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more layers of cardboard under here. Well, we won't have to worry about peeling the carpet. It's with the cardboard. This is bad. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Yeah, it's really bad here. It's like soaked here. Can't see it? No problem. The fact that I can shovel this carpet without any tools is pretty remarkable. Whoops. That's better. Tasty. Do you want to shovel the manure next?
Let me shovel some manure.
Oh my goodness. At least this is actually looking drier under here. That's a problem.
I don't think we need to replace this. Looks pretty good to me.
Just patch it up.
Just, we'll sand it a little bit, make it nice and straight again, and we'll be fine.
Can I try?
Yeah.
That legit peeled like butter. Ooh. Not really easy. Are you okay?
We're good. All right.
We are finally ready to move the couch.
Say that again.
Oh, I was talking to the camera.
Say it again.
We are finally ready to move the couch.
So heavy.
Because they're probably wet.
Just lift with your legs, not your back.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
That's pretty good.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna go through the floor. Don't go through the floor. Oh, no, you're doing it. I do not want that couch anymore. Beautiful. Wow, the wood underneath looks so good.
It does. Really nice.
I'm done. I gotta say that gas mask, whatever that thing is called, it's heavy. My neck is tired. I'm tired. So we pretty much finished everything we wanted to. We just wanted to get all the carpet up because that bad boy, it was moist. Huh? Looks like a brand new home. Doesn't even look like the roof wasn't replaced for 85 years. But the hallway, that's another story. It's like an ocean. It's very wavy.